Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, in today's video, we will cover another method of Clownfish Voice Changer which you can fix. There are many Clownfish users who don't have Voice Changer. Actually, Clownfish doesn't detect like Discord. And if you want to watch this video in English, then link is mentioned in the description. There is another channel I am using where I just put the same tutorial in English. So, you can watch over there. Alright, now let's talk about Clownfish. First of all, we have to download Clownfish, and for that we will make a microphone cable in the PC. With the name of VP Audio Virtual Cable, you can download it. And to download it, what you have to do is you have to come here and write VB cable. Okay, after coming to VB cable, you have to download it for Mac, PC, or any other device. I have already downloaded it for PC. You can download it for PC. Installation is also very simple. You can do that too. I will tell you the steps after that. I have already configured it. So I go to the simple control panel. You can see here, hardware and sound, then sound. And a small window will pop up here. Go to recording. 2 is and I have selected my speaker here. Because I have a mic in my headphones, I attach my headphones there. So my speaker is showing on the microphone. Okay. So I have to select this. Here. Now, you can think of your voice simply. Okay, I have finished the mic sound, and now the sound you are hearing is through the VB cable. I will show you. I have attached this VB cable with my desktop's Discord, but now the sound you are hearing is the sound of my desktop, not the sound of my USB microphone. If I turn this on, you will hear the sound of this and not my VB cable. Anyway, this was the intro. We will close it to explain it. Now we can change voice if I go back here. Set voice changer. So it is simple now because you are listening to my voice, so you will not hear the voice change, but I will activate it and turn it off. So you can hear now my Clownfish voice changer. For the rest, you will have to work hard. From here, whatever you can do, a little bit for you and a little bit for yourself. Now it depends. Where you like it best, you can adjust it. Well, it's your problem. You have to set it as per your requirement. I hope you liked today's tutorial. Your many problems would be solved. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye-bye.